Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use Leonardo AI Canvas Editor. This tool is perfect for designing images, art pieces, or even product visuals from scratch using AI. So the first thing that you will have to do after you've logged into your Leonardo AI is you will just have to click Canvas Editor, which is on the left panel, and then you will just have to wait for it to load. And what you will have to do is you can, use the prompt box so that you will be able to describe what you want the AI to generate for you. So for example, make me a logo with banana. So I currently have 146 tokens remaining. So this after generating this, for the 4 tokens will be gone from my tokens balance. So yeah, you do make sure to get the most out of it so that you won't be making any losing or wasting any tokens. So yeah, and then after that you will just have to click generate, and then you will just have to wait for the AI to generate multiple options. And you can also use the editing tools like this one on your right panel. So it really depends on you. And you could also use this toolbar, and yeah, all that stuff. So yeah, if it's available for you, you could also apply the effects or filters so that you will be able to enhance your image. And yeah, make sure to save your work regularly, and once you're finished, make sure to export the image in your desired format, which is either png, jpeg, or whatsoever. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.